Welcome back to Mischief Motorsports. Today we're going to be tinting the taillights on my 2009 Ford Fusion. As you can see, this car came stock with very chrome taillights. Some people are a fan of that, I personally am not, so we're going to be toning those down with some tint. Here's a picture of all the tools you're going to need for this job. First off, you'll need the tint. I used air release tint by 3M or Vivid. It's not really going to matter what kind of tint you have, just make sure it is air release. 70% isopropyl alcohol with a microfiber towel. Heat gun or a hair dryer if you don't have one, X-Acto knife, painter's tape, and a squeegee. When applying the tint, I definitely recommend having a second set of hands. It really helps. To get started, first anchor the tint to the car using painter's tape. The method for applying we found that worked the best was having one person keep tension on the tint while the other heats it up and squeegees it across the light. If you do happen to crease the tint while applying, wait for it to cool, then peel back the crease section, and then go back to heating and stretching it over the light.